Welcome back to my channel. My name is Beth, this is Apollo, and we travel full-time in my Nuvo van. I actually hardly slept last night. I'm like a kid waking up Christmas morning because I am so excited about where I'm headed right now and what I'm going to be doing when I get there. So I cannot wait to share with you guys over the next couple weeks what that looks like. But Apollo and me and Jason and his dog Ben, we actually have been visiting with my parents this last week. We got to do some fishing with them. We camped along the lake. It was absolutely beautiful. But we are leaving Central Nevada and headed south. And so there are some fun things coming up. I cannot wait to share with you guys this week's adventure. Something I am doing though is stopping for a quick coffee and hopefully a cinnamon roll for the drive because I always like my snacks. Do you think they're gonna have a cinnamon roll this time?
I don't know. Sunday morning, it's iffy.
Yeah, last time we came they were out of them, so we'll see if we actually get one this time or not. But it's one of my favorite places. I really like this coffee shop a lot.
Can I get a
All shots are started.
whatever size that is?
This is the 12 bag. Yeah, I see it. It's going to be good. Well, we just got our coffee and snacks, and they did not have cinnamon rolls again, sadly. But what did we get?
You got some lemon something bread, and I got some walnut something bread.
So we got some something bread to munch on during the drive. But yeah, we'll try again because their cinnamon rolls are really good. They just didn't have them. So I told everybody I'm really excited where we are going. Are you excited?
I am. I am so excited to see Elvis.
To see Elvis. Okay. On the highway because my van started making some really bad noise and I ripped off the front of my van somehow. I think I got stuck on the curb when we stopped for coffee. Yeah, I just looked down here because it's making major noise and this whole front, oh my gosh. Ugh, I ripped all that off. I must have gotten it stuck when I parked or something. I don't even know how I gotta rip that off or something. What is that exactly?
Well, it's just a piece of trim that I'm sure we can address, but I didn't see it hanging down when we left because I was looking at your front end pretty carefully.
Well,
so
I just
it must have got
hearing
ripped enough and then worked its way down as we drove.
This is a guard for up underneath, and it's being held with one bolt right now, which I can't access without taking off my tires. So we're gonna rip it off right now because the whole place is actually gonna need to be replaced.
This bolt will be really hard to get to.
With the wheels still on, huh? The tires.
Well, actually, I can probably get that to just.
So this is actually after chatting with my good Sam AI assistant and with Jason and looking at this is the cover here that is protecting all of these hoses. This little bolt pulled down pretty easily to get it out. But right now we've got this section, got to rip it off the rest of the way and hopefully just get that, and then I'm gonna have to bring this in and get it repaired so my hoses are protected. Nice. Sweet, thank you.
Yeah. So that's gonna be hanging down a little bit.
I know. Well,
I mean, it's not hanging down any more than it would be. It's just that can catch.
Yeah. Oh, what is that part? Oh, that there?
That's just part of this.
Yeah.
It's just more of it. It's just
Yeah.
that whole piece will have to be replaced.
Yeah.
You know,
okay.
if you want to reprotect this.
It said I can order this one piece. That's what they told me on the chat thing.
Okay.
I'm gonna throw this in the back of the van now and have to take it in and just get this part replaced. So at least we knew what it was and it's not causing any more damage. So we've only been down the road about an hour and a half before I already had an issue. Apparently when I pulled in to stop for the coffee at Stone Cabin Coffee, I must have snagged the front of my van on the curb. There's some rebar sticking out because when I backed out, I even heard a sound and I put my window down. I told Jason, I'm like, I hear a weird sound. And he's like, I don't see anything. So I kept driving. Well, by the time I came into town, my front guard had fallen down so much. This is what it is right now. I need to call Frank's Automotive in Nevada, my favorite repair place, and ask them to order me a new one because I can't have my hoses being exposed like that, and especially the rest of the guard still attached there. It could get stuck on something. Well, now that we're all hot and sweaty, let's go ahead and get back on the road. There was a bunch of people that stopped by. One guy stopped by to make sure we didn't need any help. That was really nice of him. And he recognized Jason, so that was fun. But time to get back on the road. Hey, it's a little after 1, and I wanted to find a rest stop where we can pull over, use the bathroom, maybe heat up some lunch and let Ben run around. Does that work for you?
Yeah, that sounds great.
All right, I just pulled over. I need to find a good rest stop close by, so I'm kind of looking to see what my options are. How much further? Oh, good. Here's one. See more. Okay, get directions. Open Google Maps. That's easy. It's 23 minutes away. Okay, we can do that. I really love that I've been using my AllStays app for everything. I really like to call this my all-in-one app because it is one app that I use to find all the things I need, whether that is places to fill up with potable water, RV dumps, if I need to find things like truck gas stations, rest stops to pull over at. They also have tons of campgrounds listed on there, and you can even filter it by membership. So, for example, I'm a Good Sam member, and so I like to find where all the Good Sam campgrounds are. But I also do a ton of dispersed camping, and I can actually find good dispersed camping using the app as well. So it's kind of my all-in-one app that I've been using lately, and I know that it's something I'm going to be continuing to use down the road. I think the hardest thing for me is having to use multiple apps for multiple things, and I really want one app that does it all. And so I'm really excited just in talking to AllStays and using their app, is seeing the direction that they're going in and all that they've already done with their app really makes me feel confident moving forward to use that for all of my travels. A feature about the app that I really have come to love is when I find a spot that I want to go to, whether it's this rest stop or a campground or any place on their map that's marked, I can actually open it up, click directions right when I find the spot, and it will pull up and give me options right inside the app. So I can choose whether I want to open it in Apple Maps, Google Maps. I can choose to copy and paste it to send it to a friend. It just makes it easy to where I'm not having to then open up something else. Like I can access my maps from right within the AllStays app. And that's huge for me because when I'm driving, the last thing I want to be doing is pushing a bunch of buttons on my phone. I want to be safe, keep my eyes on the road, and just click one thing to get me where I need to go. The other part about this app that I really like is once you select a stop, like right now I'm at the rest stop, it tells you all the information that you need to know about it. So for example, there's restrooms, picnic tables, a dump station, you can rinse water. There's also potable water. Sign says maximum stay of 18 hours, so you can stay overnight here. Hey bud, you ready to be out? Come on, let's go explore. Let's go explore, come on. You ready to take a little break from driving? Yeah, should I get you some water? Mama's gonna make some lunch, okay? Make some quick lunch. I know this isn't a spot you can come out. I'll let you out when we get to our camp spot. So I'm gonna just make some chicken sausage brats really quick and spicy mustard on the side of the road, and I have some cuties just to do a quick, easy lunch so we can get back on the road because we still have a couple-hour drive to go.
Cheers.
Fixing things. Did your AC work?
I don't know. I'll wait till I start driving.
Go. Ready to get back on the road?
Ready.
So this rest stop was really nice. They had potable water. There's a dump station right over here. There's water to rinse your rig out after you use the dump station. Trashes, a grass area, there's a pet area. It ended up being a really nice stop after all. All right, I need to get gas, and I found this Love's, which is great because I get 10 cents off a gallon. And right now with how high gas prices are, I can use every penny off. I don't trust you. I don't want you running out, okay? I'm just gonna get some gas. Stay inside. Marked it down 10 cents. This Love's truck stop was actually not marked in the AllStays app, so I'm gonna mark it just so people have that for future. They make it really easy to mark new places. So you just open up the app, and I'm gonna toggle to where I'm at and zoom in here. So if I want to mark this as a new location, you just toggle down here to add a place to the app. I want to use my location. I'm going to add a truck stop, and you just put in your information really quick. I'm going to put down information that I do know about this place. Is there is a dump station, propane. The other part that I wanted to add is that they actually have a dog park. And I know a lot of people travel with their pets, and sometimes it's nice to know what places you can actually stay at. And you just submit that, and then it's done. And now this rest area is added down for people that would like to come, fill up with gas, walk around with their pets, and actually do their dumps and get some water. You actually have to be really careful when you're driving through certain states. Like I know in Nevada, when you're out in the desert areas, you definitely want to fill up with gas when you get the chance, because I go through so many small towns, and I've learned, especially in winter or maybe different times of the year, those gas stations that might have at one time been open will actually be closed now. So I definitely fill up when I get the chance. Just coming up to a spot I found online with some dispersed camping on public land. So gonna try to find a good spot to tuck in for the night and finish the drive in the morning. Taking a different road now, and I've never been down this direction, but it looks like a decent road to drive on, and hopefully we can find a spot to camp out here because all the other spots that I was aware of are gone. Oh, here's a deep little drop. I think I can do this though. Can I take it at an angle? There we go. Good and easy. Did it. But yeah, this is definitely out in the desert. And it looks like they've just had a lot of rain come through here since the last time I've been in this area. So a few of the roads that we thought we could access have just been washed out. Well, after looking through a lot of these different roads, we actually found a really beautiful spot. So I'm very excited to land here for the evening. And different things are starting to bloom right now. So it's just a beautiful time to be back here. This ended up being a really beautiful place to stay. So I'm gonna get camp set up and make some dinner. But the pets are happy, I am happy. We have a safe and great spot to stay for free tonight, and it's gonna be a good camp night. yesterday when we were getting coffee, Jason happened to drop a little hint of where we were headed. And if you've been following through the whole video and seen some of the location, you might have already guessed where we're headed, but have you guessed what we're actually doing? So drop it down in the comments and let me know, where do you think we're going and what are we doing? It is some pretty big news that we're both really excited about, right?
Definitely gambling on it.
A huge thank you to AllStays for being today's video sponsor. It is the app that I use for everything. It's my all-in-one app as I travel, and I absolutely love it. So if you have questions about it and want to know more, check out down in my description. I have links so you too can save on your membership. Thanks so much for following along on today's adventure. If you like this video, give it a like, comment below, subscribe so you don't miss out on any more. And until the next adventure, I'll see you then.